step inside the vibrant atmosphere at Modi Public School as the journey to MPSK MUN 2026 officially begins. Organized by the City One initiative, this exclusive offline training session brought together passionate young minds to master the art of diplomacy, public speaking, and international relations. Throughout the session, aspiring delegates were introduced to the core fundamentals of Model United Nations, from navigating complex parliamentary procedures to crafting impactful resolutions and engaging in high-stakes debate. The energy in the room was truly electric, as students collaborated, spoke up with confidence, and took their first bold steps towards solving real-world global challenges. A massive shout-out to Modi Public School for hosting this incredible initiative, and to the City One initiative for guiding our future diplomats. The foundation has been laid. The delegates are ready, and MPSK MUN 2026 is set to be grander than ever. We'll see you at the committee.